In this video, I'll show you how to manage construction projects in Monday.com. Start from your workspace dashboard. To begin, click the plus add button on the left sidebar, hover over board, and select Start with Template. Search for templates that can help you with construction management. Select the template that best matches your workflow and click Use Template. Wait for it for a few seconds to load. Once the board opens, organize the workflow into groups representing different project phases. For example, you could create groups for project info, floor accomplishments, and create sub-items for each item to better detail each task. Next, add the columns needed to track the project properly. Most construction boards use columns for task name, assigned project manager, status, start and end date, and also deadlines. If you want to add your own column, use the horizontal scroll bar at the bottom and go to the right side of the board until you see a plus button. Click the button to add your desired column. Now begin adding tasks and milestones into the board. Each row should represent a specific activity, inspection, or deliverable. Click the Add Item or Add Task button and start typing your task. Assign tasks to team members, managers, or contractors using the People column and track deadlines using Timeline or Date columns. Timeline and Gantt views are especially useful for construction projects because they visually display project schedules and dependencies. To add the view, click the plus add button at the top of the board and select the view you want to add. You can also upload blueprints, permits, contracts, or site photos directly into task items. You can do this by clicking the task item and going to the Files tab in the panel that appears. Using Monday.com for construction management helps improve scheduling, communication, and project visibility across the entire build process. And that's how to manage construction projects in Monday.com.